Deficiency diseases. Many people are not able to eat a balanced diet, so they suffer from many deficiency diseases. Diseases which occur due to the deficiency of one or more essential nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Such diseases develop if the deficiency continues over a long period of time. Deficiency diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another and can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. It must be understood that even excessive intake of food leads to health problems. Excessive intake of food is called overeating, and it leads to a condition called obesity. This is a condition in which the body tends to gain weight and becomes fat. Obesity leads to many heart problems. Deficiency of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Deficiency of carbohydrates in the diet leads to body weakness, loss of stamina. The body thus gets tired quickly. Deficiency of proteins. Proteins are the body-building foods. Following symptoms appear if a person does not get enough proteins in his diet. Stunted growth, discoloration of hair, swelling of face, skin problems, diarrhea, swollen abdomen, protruding belly. In children, deficiency of proteins leads to severe malnutrition and diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus develop. A child suffering from kwashiorkor has a large pot-like belly, stunted growth, swelling of face and limbs, especially the feet. Skin diseases, mental retardation, and diarrhea. If the treatment is started in time, improving protein intake may correct this disease. Marasmus is more common among infants and children under 5 years of age. A child suffering from marasmus becomes very thin, shows slow body growth, lack of energy, loss of appetite, weak legs, mental retardation, poor muscle development, etc. To prevent these diseases, the Government of India has started programs like the Integrated Child Development Scheme, ICDS, and the Midday Meal Scheme in schools. Deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Scurvy is the disease caused by deficiency of vitamin C. The main symptoms of scurvy are swelling and bleeding of gums and wounds not healing properly. Rickets. Rickets is a disease of the bones. In children, bones become soft and hence easily get bent and deformed, while in adults, bones become brittle and can get fractured easily. It is mainly caused by the deficiency of vitamin D and minerals, calcium and phosphorus. Deficiency of these minerals affects bones and teeth. Deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron in the diet. Anemia is a disease in which a substance called hemoglobin found in red blood cells of our body becomes deficient or less. Person suffering from anemia looks pale, gets tired easily, and suffers from loss of appetite. Goiter. Goiter occurs due to the lack of the mineral called iodine in the diet. A person suffering from goiter shows slow or retarded physical and mental growth. This disease is most common among people living in the hilly regions, as the iodine content of soil and water is low in these areas. However, consumption of iodized salt has helped to reduce the chances of getting goiter. Deficiency of water. Water is very essential for proper functioning of the body. Excess loss of water from the body leads to a condition called dehydration. Dehydration causes loss of salts and leads to weakness in the body. Oral rehydrating solution (ORS) can be given to a patient to recover from dehydration. It is available free of cost at primary health centers. It can also be made at home by mixing 8 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of clean drinking water. Keynotes to remember. Nutrients are the chemical substances in food that your body needs. Nutrients in food can be grouped under the classes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition to the above nutrients, our body also needs water and roughage. Carbohydrates and fats provide energy to the body. Proteins are needed for muscle building and for repairing worn-out tissues. Vitamins and minerals are needed for the normal functioning of our body. A balanced diet should include food items from 3 basic food groups. Deficiency of carbohydrates causes lack of energy and stamina. Deficiency of proteins causes kwashiorkor, whereas combined deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates causes marasmus. Deficiency of vitamins can cause night blindness, beriberi, anemia, scurvy, and rickets. Deficiency of minerals can cause osteoporosis, rickets, anemia, and goiter. Deficiency of water can cause dehydration. Key terms. Balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food required for healthy functioning of the body is called a balanced diet. Deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused due to the lack of nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Dietary fiber. The portion of plant food that does not provide any nutrients to our body but helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system is called dietary fiber, roughage. Nutrients, chemical substances in food that our body needs.